What do you think, Asher? What do you think? Yeah. Get the motor out.
He's like,
Give your penguin a hug for camera. No, that's it.
can you hug your penguin?
Is that Penguino?
Give him a hug.
Penguino. Oh. Drive forward. Do you want to drive forward? I want to get it on camera.
Oh, you want to get it here?
Yep. And it's out. Best part, using a seatbelt. Alright, disconnect the battery, check, moving on. One of my favorite engineering things about this car is this radiator. So, one screw here, two electrical pieces, and then you got this little plastic pin right there. So very minimal amount of stuff. Throw that in the box, and then lift, and boom. Now that's a manual only. If you have an automatic car, your life is so much more complicated. But for manual owners, it's that easy.
So just push the button.
Okay.
And to go down,
Yeah.
this is like a safety lock.
Yeah.
And that goes down.
Okay. So you just push that and it goes up?
Yep.
Seriously? And hopefully it doesn't fall off. A little bit of oil leaking on there. I got the oil drained, and look at this. This is the, so I got a lowered car, and this is where it scrapes a bit, but not too bad. I lost the oil thing, but that's not too bad. But got the coolant drained. I'm debating whether I pull that out because that might make things easier. And this rad plug I stripped pretty bad last time, so I'm gonna try and avoid taking that out if possible. We'll see. I'm gonna put the car back down and take some hoses off, and we'll see. So we're getting there. We're a quarter of the way, maybe. There's 3 bolts here on both sides, and that pretty much holds the whole front bumper on for the most part. You can see there, right here. There's 2 over here. There's 3, and those basically hold. Yeah, right there. Those both basically hold the whole bumper on for the most part, and then it all comes off as like one piece. So there's a few pieces here, 2 bolts there, but for the most part, then you got yourself a lighter front end. So these pulleys often wear out, make noise, get the kind of squealing. So I'm gonna save that from this motor, and then I have replaced these other pulleys as well. I don't know if I'll save them or not. I guess it's not that much work to change them, so I probably will. But now I'm gonna take off the air conditioner. We did connect the lines, but this will just make it easier. I don't have to break the other line. And then I'm gonna take the alternator off as well. The other engine does have one on there, but yeah, it's just gonna make things a little simpler. So yeah, there we go. What's my age again? What's my age again? Well, it's the end of the first day and motor's still in the car, but all the accessories, power steering, air conditioning, radiator, you name it, it's out. The only thing left to go is motor mounts and transmission housing and exhaust, and then it'll be ready to pull. So it's getting close. I'm not sure how much longer, but it's coming. It definitely is coming. Looks pretty badass with the front off of it. I think part of me is tempted to just run it without the bumper. Just this kind of stubby thing, but I know that well, it just can't be done for long term, but maybe at some point if I tear the bumper off drifting or something like that. But anyway, did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.